wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? Looking very different, right? Yeah, so this unit is from Geeta Hair, and they went ahead and sent me their 26-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal wig unit in body wave, and this is just what we're looking like. Full, super thick, 250 density, and I did do just a little bit of light layers just so that when I put these two curls in, they would fall like really nice and perfect. And just for right now, I'm just gonna show you guys how I did these super quick and easy install. I loved doing this wig install, and in the end I definitely gave myself a little challenge, and I did have to stop. So if you see the lighting change, that's the only reason why. I definitely had to stop, go get my baby from daycare, and we're back here now. So if you'd like to see how I did this tutorial, just keep on watching, and the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous wig. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe. And wash me over until about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around,
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. money. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, cause you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna switch it up and do a little style real quick. I'm just thinking of pulling these two pieces to the back with some rubber bands. So let's attempt to do that because you guys know I never style my hair. So got 4 really thick rubber bands. And let's try to do this.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Cause too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and body driving crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight on me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. She just wanna dance and tease.
Okay, so gonna brush these curls out. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from Geeta Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 13x6 250 density lace frontal wig unit in body wave, and as you guys can see, this is what I did with it. Honestly, I'm actually feeling this. This is absolutely a cute hairstyle. I mean, it's very playful, and if you are definitely going with like a vibe of you wearing a certain color, I feel like this is so cute. Or this is actually a cute little brunch hairstyle, you know, something to do with your wigs whenever you feel like, you know, it's getting a little bit boring. Just spruce up the vibes, a little preppy. It's a cute hairstyle and I'm feeling it. So if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, it is from Geeta Hair, and this is just what it looks like. It's really nice and soft and super duper full. So this 250 density is definitely doing the damn thing. It is in 26 inches, so you know it's really long and thick, full right throughout, and that is something I love about Geeta wigs. Ever since I've been working with Geeta Hair, the wigs have just been getting better and better. They always blend with my skin very well.